Guys, did you know you can make upward to $2,000 per day by posting rain videos on YouTube? Guys, you heard me. That means that you don't have to have your face in the video, you don't have to have your voice in the video, and you don't have to really do any type of editing. Guys, this is probably one of the easiest ways to make money online. Guys, this is called YouTube automation. And in today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how you can set up your channel and start your own YouTube automation, making upward to 2K a day. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair spins into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. Before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push us within a wider audience, and it also allows YouTube to push us within an algorithm that allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, in this video, I'm super excited because I am giving away advice that's right up my alley. I'm a YouTube creator and I've done very well in the space in the last couple years, and seeing this market growing is perfect, especially if you are a nervous, shy individual and you don't like having your face on camera and you still want to become a creator and also make a lot of money doing it. This is the perfect video for you. Now, I've seen individuals online selling courses just like I'm going to give you today on how you can do this, and the courses is up hundreds and some is even thousands of dollars just for you to start this automation process. Now, this is going to be a video where if you are familiar with TikTok or how to edit, it's going to be a breeze, but I'm also going to give you a way to set this up for less than 50 bucks if you don't know how to edit. So let's dive straight in. So the first thing you want to do is basically go to the YouTube channel that you want to model your channel from. So you have to basically see the success that's already generated before you could basically implement your own channel. So once you see if you want to add video or if you just want to do audio, then you'll be able to actually put everything together. So there are videos in this space where you can loop in a video of rain, or you can just have a still picture and just have the rain noises in the background. Now, the rain noises is not the only limitation for this space. Now, you don't have to show your face to do a multiple of a variety of sounds. You can do rain noises, we already said that. You can do whale noises, you can do ocean noises, you can do Amazon noises, you can do so many different noises that's basically peaceful and common and actually bring a certain vibe in the place. And these videos that have already been generated, I've seen some that have generated views upward to over 100 million views. Now, 100 million view video, I can't even imagine how much that video generated over the lifetime of it. But guys, if you are interested in making money online, starting a passive automation process where everything is automated and you don't really have to put a lot of legwork in, then this is perfect for you. So the first, I want to show you how to do it, how to go get the content and implement it. So the first website you want to go to is called Epic Sound. Epic Sound is a platform that basically gives you free, license-free audio for you to use. Now, I know that a lot of people think that there are restrictions when it comes to audios, but it's really not. As long as you have are using the audio without reselling it, without it being edited, then you are good. So you could post it on YouTube and still not be in the bubble of actually selling it, because you are using it as a ad generating vehicle opposed to actually selling it as a product. Now I hope that makes sense, but trust me, this process works and you are good through and through. So first you want to go to Epic Sound. The Epic Sound is going to give you a variety of different sounds that you want to use. You can use so many different rain sounds. They have umbrella rain, they have rain 1, rain 2, so many different rain noises. You want to go through each individual sound and see which one fit the vibe that you are trying to apply to your particular channel. Now once you have the sound, then you want to make another decision whether you want to add video or whether you want to do a still picture. Now in my opinion, adding just a still picture and just implementing the sound is probably the easiest and most effective way early on. That way you don't have to worry about muting the audio and messing with the audio too much. I mean the video too much if you don't know how to edit there very well. You can just put in a still picture and have the audio in the background, right? So once you get the audio, you want to go to a website called Pixels, P-E-X ELS, and Pixels is going to give you all of the videos or pictures that you want to add to your video content. Now once you have this, then you want to basically figure out which type of editing platform you want to use. Now everyone that edits have different editing platforms that they like better. Some people like Final Cut Pro, some people like iMovie, some people like, I don't know the other ones, but some people like different varieties of different editing software. So whatever editing software that you use, I've seen people edit crazy in TikTok. So whichever editing software that you are most familiar with is the ones you want to use, and basically you want to get the sound. And once you get the sound, you want to implement the sound into the editing software, and the sound is not going to be the length of time that you want to generate in this content. So as you can see on the video, you can see that these videos are not short. These videos are not 8 minutes, 24 minutes. These videos are hours, 10 hours, 11 hours, 24 hours long. And they are doing it because these are the sounds that people normally like to run into a loop. Normally they want to put it into an office building, a massage parlor, or they want to loop it while they're sleeping, so it needs to be consistent for hours. So what you want to do, you want to get the rain sound regardless of what length is already originally at. You want to basically copy and paste that sound and put it on the back end of the editing process. So once you implement the sound, you want to copy, put it on the back, copy, put it on the back, copy, and put it on the back until you reach a time frame that you are comfortable with in your video. Now once you do that, then you implement the picture that you want to use, and guys, the editing from there is really that short and sweet. It's not really complicated along with the process. Once you have the audio, all you have to do is loop it and copy it so it can last longer than the original audio file. Right now, I told you I'm going to give you a way to do it, to edit and to do it if you don't want to edit, right? So if you wanted to edit, or if you even wanted to use Pixel, the platform that I referred, you are going to have to sign a free subscription and eventually pay for it, right? So if you want to pay for it after the free subscription is over, that's fine, but you can also go on Fiverr and actually just type in rain videos, and a lot of people from a lot of different countries, overseas country, third world countries, that would do this for you, the entire project. Everything that I just told you, they would do everything for you and actually send you the file. So all you have to do is send the file and upload it directly to YouTube. And it's very inexpensive. I've seen some people actually create these type of videos for less than 20 bucks. So 20 bucks invested into your YouTube channel and looping it. Once you have everything and I have all the ingredients, guys, it's not really a hard-winded process. Like I said, you can either go on Fiverr.com, hire someone to do it for 25 bucks, or you can do this yourself for less than free, because it's a free subscription. After that, then you have to either cancel or continue the subscription. I hire people to do this. I like to leave the professionals where they at. I used to edit my videos, but I just love the editors, and my editor actually came from Fiverr. So if you are interested in doing the YouTube and you don't want to edit and you're not really a intricate or don't know how to edit, then just go on Fiverr, hire someone, start an initial investment, and work the system, guys. Once you start this process and actually get a continual traffic on your channel continuously, then it would definitely turn into an automated vehicle for you to automatically make endless amount of money. Guys, these type of videos and this type of content is literally limitless. It has unlimited utility where you can just basically have a cash pumping vehicle without you really having a lot of sweat equity into the channel. You don't have to worry about people seeing your face. You don't have to worry about critics. You don't have to worry about being cute or ugly. All you have to do is just push out content that people want to use. YouTube will pay you, and you can make upwards of 2K per day. Guys, I think that this is 100% a game changer, and like I said, there's been courses teaching you how to do everything that I just explained to you. Now, if you want to do and go into more detail, then I will advise you to get other platforms like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, and those platforms are going to give you a better chance with the YouTube algorithm. They give you all of the tags that you need to implement. They give you all of the key terms, how to basically structure your description, everything that you write, or all of your titles, your descriptions, your thumbnails, all of that matters for the algorithm. And this video is not for pushing yourself into the YouTube algorithm. If you want to learn more how to do that, then you can go on YouTube and learn exactly how the algorithm works. Or like I said, you can sign up for TubeBuddy or vidIQ, and they would teach you, and you can use their platform to learn the algorithm and its nuances. Guys, let me know in the comments how you feel about this. Do you feel like this will be a great thing for you? If you have any questions on me in particular, on how I build my YouTube channel, or any questions about how it works, let me know in the comments. And always, please guys, remember to like and subscribe, because like I said, it allows YouTube to push us within the algorithm. Guys, until next time, take care of yourself and take care of your credit. Credit Coach Q out.